Top stories. Ima Market women vendors shut down market, gives ultimatum of January 10. Villagers to block passes on Impal-Moreh road if government fails to begin repairing work of Kwatha road by January 5. And Teachers Association of JNIMS take mass casual leave against denial of rights on the campus of JNIMS Hospital. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by Haripriya, and now let's have the news in details. Women vendors of the three Ima Kaithils at Kwatha market have warned of surrendering their vendors license to start selling on the street if the government fails to set certain rules and regulations for the street vendors by January 10. Here is a report.
The Imas of the three Ima markets states sit in demonstration demanding protection of Ima markets. The government and the IMC do not have the right to disregard the identity of the historical marketplace. Thinguzam Ongbi Rani, Secretary of Kwatha Ima Kaithil Sinfam Amadi Saktam Kanbalov, said that despite its significance for being the only all-women market in the history of the world, the government is neglecting the current deteriorating condition of the marketplace. The roads have become crowded as the number of street vendors has increased over the year. Thinguzam Ongbi Rani warned of surrendering their vendor license to start selling on the streets if the government fails to set certain rules and regulations by January 10.
Parking pisale, four-wheeler mangi parking pisale, parking jimataka bopam hamjale, gari amakak chat lambi baw laitaba. Singo me amja koi hanjan hare baw te yarak tabanina, koi su pile tabanina, koi kaithel umja phami ba, koi license pai ba, koi khudi makse government koi no government deadline am thazari ba, January tang tara, siba ki mangda government market koi ba, akang na ba niyom sembiraga, market singje gi phibam phagana ba hona bidraga di, koi kaithel umja taxi ga phami ba, koi mili singhum ga sanipan. Sigi pai ba car sing government surrender tawba loina na akoi khudimak lambi da thoga phamane ba akoi loimba car taxi roi car surrender tawthoni aduga lambi ga kaithen ge khena ba lai tamna koi su lambi da thoga phamani masi da tholok ba phabadagi daik ta khudimak to government amadi IMC mailin ba department khudimak na pubiu haiba wafam se ai miyam da thamjari.
On the other hand, President of Kwatha Semgat Sagat Palov Mayang Lambam Ongbi RK Radesna said the identity of the only women marketplace is worsening day by day. She condemned that it is due to the increasing number of street vendors.
Nipandi tari timoi ni hen gareba aduna asigum nong isingi chawdong hengalak panina ka chen je nongwa khulang khang kaudra banya koi khaiden mulak patare haujik se maram aduna sarkar na masi athuwa matam da mieng changwidana phami ba mapana chai ba mayam sigi su haibadi karino ma sinbiraga systematic ma sin tawira kanda moi busu mafam jana phaman biro akoi khaidel ahum ji hingan biu akoi asuki machik pachik chachi wale aduna khaidel ahum ji hingan bachi akoi na pami.
On the other hand, the women protesters also attempted to storm the Chief Minister bungalow to submit a memorandum. However, they were intercepted by a large number of police personnel in the northern side of Kangla, as a result of which a clash broke out between the two sides. The 7-kilometer stretch of road along the National Highway 102 or Impal-Moreh road, which is approach road to Kwatha in Tangnopal district, has remained in deplorable condition. The Kwatha village is inhabited by only Meitei community. The government has failed to keep its promise of repairing the road. Secretary of the Village Authority KSS Iboyema said if the government fails to repair the road by January 5, locals of Kwatha village will ban all types of government activities and passes will be blocked on Impal-Moreh road. He further said the work minister, chief engineer of the department had assured of blacktopping work under PMGSY from December. However, it's December end and there is no sign of work for the Kwatha road.
Visit Masamak Lakirum Laga, Kunsida, Lambisi Atu Matam, Colas Tabi, Hana Tazaba, so Pivirum Laga, Masi Power Karim, the Tobirate, Adubu Lonana, Masi Tobirate Maka Matung in the Tarapumatum Inna, Kogi Pantu Kiba, October Gi, with Bamboo Festival Pantu Kiba, Kogi, Hosi Pubi, BMJSYG, Sip Engineer, Amadi Maki Masha, Maki Makada, Lady Staff Sinkaya, Lona, the Lakirum Laga, Kogi Bamboo. Festival do mafam jagada akoi yamna thajaba aidi achaw pi urumlaga akoi chakhara matungda yamna thuna akoi tender laudagani adu December thasde lambi suba hawbiragani haina takpi rumranga si phawa lambi mari leno kari amata tawbirakte aduna maram oiraga hoji hari lambi ase athu matamda subidraba kolas thabidragadi akoi lakliba January gi tang 5 2019 gi asigi manungda lambi kolas thabidaba lambi sembidaba taradi Kwatha Chanakpa any development program Kudimak Sarka Sarka line of Tabak Kudima Tingilagani, Karimata Packet Kalaro Hibasi media from the Hizeri.
Teachers Association of JNIMS took mass casual leave against denial of rights on the campus of JNIMS Hospital today. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of the Association, Dr. Nelson Tongbam said, Chief Minister in Birin, who is also the chairman of JNIMS, has failed to fulfill the demands in spite of his repeated assurances in past. The sit-in protest will continue if their demands are not met, he asserted.
Strike to nobody can be vegan. I would make our passing Matam Chani and view to a canon to one view. I was rightful not in Haji. Neom never writing as a Muida Matam Chana PB, a quick strike on a strike farms, nothing Matam Queen of Tana, any homes that we strike to the line never. Although come on October, the 60 me credit cannot do the retired over 2022. The Adama pension fund retired over the foreign Lambichat, but I accidental and color a salmon at a pension fund. Although we can the Pomodori pension is I should Lamgi can Yungi loan norm, but Yum the bank much among the later pension to Pang in a call. As Sumam, Yam, Pin the Yam section, put him at the pain of Legacy, see Pongdor open hyper.
Lifeless body of Salam Prakash has been lying in RIMS morgue as the JEC and the family refused to accept the body. Prakash, 25, son of Tomba, was shot dead by a licensed gun at Naurim Thong, Ahanbi, on 25th of this month. The JEC staged a sudden demonstration demanding punishment of the alleged culprit, Chabumbam Udachandra of Tera Lukrakpam Lirik.
Ngasigi paliba laingangna mabu sabsaba magi phangbam thokpa magi aingi matungina tawham thokado akoi matik chana tawhanba pami loinana ngasigi laingangna asigumba khutta license gun amamam paisal le haraga akoi di sen pairabani akoi angambani athawbani haina hairaga mi bu sumaina hatana tuptana tawbase matungda thoktana bagidamta license gun pairiba mioi singda laingangna lokhatpa yaba laingangna piba yaba tawba yaba karino haibadumadi khanbiraga madugi suggestion dumasu ai laikai sigi khungang sigi iramdam sigi khunai sigi khallaga ai ngasi lengaki mafamda thamjari.
And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Tom TV na adongi dama New Year gi oina offer pizari ba offer si LED TV 32 inch ama leibada Tata Sky ama free da hapchari. TV SC hojik market ki rate da 14,500 piba TV ni. Hariba TV SC suknatagi 12,999 da offer pizari. Khudong chaba ase lobiyu akaknaba matam ni tanjang ase manghan biganu. Tom TV na leijari basi adongi damaktani.
Admission open. Little House Preschool, Singjamai Sograkpam Laikai. Admission open for 2019-2020 session. Facilities available. Day boarding, real-life activity-based teaching. Student-teacher ratio for pre-nursery 6:1. Nursery to class 1 24:1. For more information, please contact 8787773218.
Welcome back after a short break. MU Alumni Association is going to organize 3rd Alumni Meet 2018 at the Manipur University courtroom tomorrow. They will be presenting simple gift to the retired senior professor C.H. Tombi, Lal Denba and H. Bihari. CPI Kurai Local Council has released a notice stating that Kurai Kendra of Impal East District is lagging behind in many aspects. There is shortage of drinking water and people are facing inconveniences due to bad infrastructure. Despite many promises made by the government, Lamlong Keithil remains unconstructed. This may spark another agitation in Impal East District regarding the construction of the market building. Agitation by the Old Manipur BDF Welfare Association may become more intense as the government has not lived up to their promises. The association is going to address a press conference tomorrow at Manipur Press Club to discuss over the issue. The bail hearing of Yamthong Haokip, who was arrested in connection with the missing of 56 9mm pistols and 58 magazines from the garrison armory of 2nd Manipur Rifles, will be held on January 14 by the High Court of Manipur. At least 70 households were given LPG connection with the help of proprietor of MS Arun Enterprises, Thangzam Arun Kumar in Wangkhai Assembly constituency today. The LPG connection program was held at the residence of the proprietor of the MS Enterprises at Jingmairong. Speaking at the solemn program, T.H. Arun Kumar said Arun Enterprises has an objective of reaching out to at least 300 households in the constituency.
Ration card kaya mayam pairagasu akhoi identity de namana phangba ya facility phangda mayam leiram ba sigisi idamakta koina hoji leiba scheme bujala gi scheme makada koina hoji gas agency amaga tie up toraga ngasigi gas connection leitriba ration card duga all facilities di phangba ya leiram mayam si da koina gasing si yendokjabagi duguma tam nami nama phai dokjabani ngasi
Thomas ngasi subsidy kya mu ye thok sing Thomas subsidy
changiba document sing si ration card ma change residential certificate ma change bank account ma change jo photo ma change aduga minimum ko charges to 1300 to 1500 ki account ko account number ma log jai.
And now let's move on sports news. Neroka FC, the only football team of the state, will participate in Hero Indian I-League 2018-19. The match will kick off at Khuman Lampakman Stadium tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Neroka FC takes on Mohon Bagan AC tomorrow and play its 16th home match. Head coach of Neroka FC, Manuel Ritamero, has said that the team is well prepared and all set to show their extra skills and energy to win the match. He said this during a press meet held at the Classic Ground.
I hope, and it is not this year for sure, but we must build like a safety club, not like, I told you many times, I hope that you keep, everyone here in India, I don't want to see like I saw, they won, and finally you see I saw Minerva, or now it's Bengal, change I tell you now the strategy for class here in India. So if they listen, they must do it. And change the players. They might work properly, like big clubs. Kill the players. You don't see just maybe Cristiano Ronaldo left the Real Madrid after how many years? You know, they must keep the team that they won and try to improve. No, just change. Every decisions like I saw this player is good, so I take and I change everything. It's not like this because finally you go back. Your all work that you did before.
And now let's have a short break.
10% Christmas and New Year offer sale. Come and grab this offer. Pick any items and get 50% flat discount. Offer valid till 10 January 2019. Blue Scent exclusive showroom, Changangai Ghari Airport Road, Impal.
Second Sheikh Babu Macha Memorial 7-a-side Men's Open Football Tournament 2018. Sponsored by Sheikh Babu Macha Memorial Trust. Venue, Princeton International School Football Ground, Khetri Awang Lekai, Khetrigao, Impal East, Manipur. Opening ceremony on Saturday 29 December 2018. Chief Guest, Mohammad Nur Rahman Sheikh, IFS, Consul General of India, Jeddah. Prizes, Champion, ₹1 lakh with running trophy. First runners-up, second runners-up, best player, best goalkeeper, golden boot, fair play team, hero of the match. Every match, admission form available for free. Last date of form submission 28 December 2018. Contact number 7629025096 and 9077443233.
Welcome back. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) has agreed to discuss the demands of the Eastern Nagaland People's Organization (ENPO), an apex body of 6 Naga tribes, asking for a separate state under the Constitution. A tripartite dialogue was held between the ENPO, Nagaland government and MHA under the chairmanship of Special Secretary Internal Security last month. MHA officials said that they had only agreed to discuss the demand of ENPO and no final decision has been taken, while sources said the move may lead to division of state as the ENPO demands a frontier Nagaland. Indonesia has raised the alert level for the erupting Anak Krakatau volcano to the second highest and ordered all flights to steer clear days after it triggered a tsunami that killed at least 430 people. The volcano has been rumbling on and off since July but has been particularly active since Sunday, spewing lava and rocks and sending huge clouds of ash up to 3,000 meters into heavily overcast skies. This year, the country has suffered its worst annual death toll from disaster in more than a decade. There are also fears of bigger eruption. China has successfully tested the advanced S-400 air defense system imported from Russia, for which India also signed up recently despite concern over threats of sanctions from the US. It was the first time the People Liberation Army PLA tested the system since it received the last shipments of the weaponry from Russia in July under $3 billion contract signed in 2015. S-400 is known as Russia's most advanced long-range surface-to-air missile defense system. China was the first foreign buyers to seal a government-to-government deal with Russia in 2014 to obtain the lethal missile system. Russia says the S-400 is a cutting-edge air defense system that can detect and shoot down targets including ballistic missiles, enemy jets and drones up to 600 kilometers away at an altitude between 10 meters and 27 kilometers. And now let's move on some newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Youth shot dead over tiff for crossing bridge first. Chief Minister conferred Champions of Change Award. NIA busts ISIS Module 10 held. Rocket launcher 112 bomb timers recovered. State sends amended proposal for fuel pipeline project. People's Chronicle. Arrested scribe tried to incite secessionist idea. Chief Minister. One shot dead in road rage, accused arrested. Chief Minister Biren gets Champions of Change Award. JNIMS doctors to take mass leave today, Director cautions. The Morning Bell. Chief Minister Biren conferred Champions of Change Award by President. Man shot dead on Christmas night. Amju condemns detention of Kishore Chandra under NSA. Christmas celebrated in style at Kangpokpi District Headquarters. Impal Free Press. Condemnations pour in across country against detention of Kishore Chandra under NSA. Samden calls upon Chief Minister to release journalists and withdraw defamation suit. And Biren conferred Champions of Change 2018 award.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Ima market women vendors shut down markets, give ultimatum of January 10. Villagers to block passes on Impal-Moreh road if government fails to begin repairing work of Kwatha road by January 5. And Teachers Association of JNIMS take mass casual leave against denial of rights on the campus of JNIMS Hospital. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.